Between China and the U.S., there are some of probably very difficult issues, and some of not so much difficult issues. For example, you mentioned it's protecting intellectual property right. China has a strong willing to protect the intellectual property right. Not only protect U.S. intellectual property rights, but it's also become a very serious domestic economic development strategy to protect the domestic intellectual property right. So that's in legislation and regulation that we have a strong willing to do so. So U.S. raise these things, we can improve our legislation and regulation, but especially to improve the law enforcement. So I think that's a common things among U.S. and China. The similar things is technology transfer. A lot of people, especially in the United States, they understand that the government have enforcement for those of U.S. investors to have technology transfer. But actually, the government has already stopped the policy of technology transfer since China entered the WTO in 2001. But in the business level, in the local government level, we still have some kind of things could be complained by the U.S. Business people. So I think that those of things are relatively not so difficult for China to improve and to strengthen the implementation of the existing law and regulation. The similar things is, I think, regarding to this cyber intrusion, cyber theft. It's not a government policy, but probably for China as a large country, we still have a few phenomena. It's a need for both sides to figure out who is doing that. So we have strong feelings to improve and to, to eliminate that kind of phenomena. Another thing is the drug trafficking, so-called fentanyl problem. That's the bad guys may do some things by using the internet retail network to have anonymous transactions, and they probably use bitcoins for the payment.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.